Seal Spray Foam Insulation is the quick and easy way to apply spray foam insulation where you need it without mixing two components from large bulky canisters. It is the perfect choice for temperature and sound insulation. Whether you are a professional or amateur, applying Seal Spray Foam is fast and easy. All you need is a Seal Spray Foam gun and a canister of Seal Spray Foam. A new foam spray tip is supplied with each can of Seal Foam. Whereas Seal Spray Foam is safer than two-component foam kits, we still recommend wearing disposable gloves, safety goggles, and any type of mask. To get started, shake the can at least 20 times. Remember to reshake the can if you pause between applications. Remove the cap from the can. Attach the spray tip provided onto the foam gun by pressing firmly and tightly. Then attach the gun to the top of the can. The tip can be rotated to spray horizontally or vertically. Adjust the spray width and flow volume with the flow regulator at the rear of the gun. Loosening increases the width and volume, while tightening decreases the width and volume. There are 5 rules to ensure a proper application. The can and room should be between 58 and 82 degrees. The spray tip is properly installed. The can is properly shaken. The application surface is not contaminated with dust, dirt, or grease. Maintain a spray distance of 12 to 18 inches. Each can of Seal Spray Foam can cover 25 board feet. Seal Foam can be used on almost any rough or smooth surface of concrete, brick, wood, metal, plastic, or glass. The closed cell properties of Seal Foam are perfect for creating a vapor barrier to stop metal buildings from sweating in high moisture environments. It can be applied to hot and cold water pipes as well as air conditioning freon lines and vents to reduce energy costs. Wet environments produce mold. Insulating pipes can help reduce mold from forming from condensation. Seal Foam can be trimmed and coated. It is easily applied to inverted surfaces such as ceilings. Seal Spray Foam insulation will save you time, training, and labor costs. It's easy. It's quick, and there's no messy setup or teardown. Anyone can use it. Seal Spray Foam.